Hello everyone, I'm Satomi, a Japanese veterinarian. Have you noticed your dog coughing recently and acting a bit differently? A single cough or two might not be a concern. But if the cough continues, or if it becomes more frequent, it's time to pay attention. Even if your dog still seems energetic and has an appetite, a lingering cough can sometimes lead to serious conditions like bronchitis, which may be irreversible if left untreated. So today, let's talk about the possible causes of coughing in dogs and what you should do. 1. Types of dog coughs and what to watch for. Not all coughs are the same. There are dry coughs, wet coughs, coughs that sound like vomiting, cough with blood. To help your vet, try to record a video of the cough and note the time, frequency, and situation when it happens. This information is essential for accurate diagnosis. 2. When it's likely not serious. Sometimes dogs cough briefly when something irritates their airway, like dust or excitement. If it's short-lived and doesn't repeat, there are usually no cause for concern. 3. 6 concerning causes of coughing. 1. Heart disease. Especially common in small and senior dogs, the cough can mimic nausea. Early signs may be subtle, so regular checkups are key. 2. Tracheal collapse. Seen in small breeds like Pomeranians, the cough sounds like a duck quacking, worsened by obesity or excitement. 3. Chronic bronchitis. A long-term cough with phlegm, usually seen in older dogs. Smoking and poor air quality worsen symptoms. 4. Infectious bronchitis. Kennel cough. Sudden, harsh coughing common in puppies, spread by virus or bacteria. Preventable by vaccination. 5. Heartworm disease. Caused by parasites living in the heart. Preventable with regular medication and testing. Coughing is a key early symptom. 6. Tumors. Especially in older dogs, tumor near the lungs or throat can trigger coughing. Chest x-rays during routine exams help with early detection. 4. What to do? Keep track of symptoms, note the sounds, timing, and frequency. Record a video. It helps your vet make a more accurate diagnosis. Visit the vet early. Early treatment increases success and reduces risks. Thank you for watching. This channel shares easy to understand pet health tips. If you found this helpful, please support me by subscribing, liking, and commenting. See you in the next video. Bye!